Welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Mastercode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Islower string method. And what the Islower string method does is it checks to make sure all the characters in a string are either lowercase or have no case at all. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and take a look at an example. So let's go ahead and create a string. A is going to represent that string. We're going to say master code online like this, and we're just going to call A is lower on it, and it's true. All the characters in here are lowercase or no case at all. A white space has no case, so that's why I'm saying no case at all. Alright, let's take a look at another example. A is equal to a string with uppercase, master code online like that, and then we'll call A is lower on that, and we'll get false. So there you go. There is the Python Islower string method. So if you have any questions, please let us know at mastercode.online. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial.